Hello ducklings! Lots of you have already started to make your own bird feeders and you're doing really well. I've been very impressed with all your different imaginative creations you've made. I'm sure the birds will love them. Today I'm going to have a go at making my own bird feeder. So I have a toilet roll and I've hole punched some holes at the top to tie some string in it. So once it's finished, I can hang it in a tree. So I'm going to put it here. I've got some honey, and I've put the honey in a little bowl. I've got a paintbrush, and I'm going to paint the toilet roll with the honey. And then once I've done that, I'm going to roll it in this bird seed. So I'm going to put the camera there so you can see what I'm doing. So I've got my honey, I've got my paintbrush. I'm going to paint the toilet roll with the honey. Now you don't have to use a toilet roll, you could use a kitchen roll. And some of you have made lots of other types of bird feeders as well, so you don't have to do it this way, you can think of your own as well. This is just to give you some ideas. It's very thick honey, thick and oozy. Painting it on. It's going to be very sticky, thick, oozy, sticky honey. I wonder what kinds of birds will come to eat the bird seed on this bird feeder. Have any of you had any birds come to your bird feeders that you've made? There, so I've got lots of thick, oozy, sticky honey all painted around my toilet roll. So now I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to put some bird seed on this chopping board in front of me. And then, so that's the bird seed. And then I am going to roll this sticky toilet roll into the bird seed, and hopefully it will all stick onto it. Oh yes, it's working very well, it's all sticking on. It's making a crunchy sound as I roll the toilet roll in the seed. There, made my very own bird feeder. So I'm going to go and hang it in a tree, and if I see any birds come to it, I'll take a picture to show you. Now my fingers are very sticky now, and I'm sure yours will be as well, so make sure you wash your hands after, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for listening, ducklings. Bye.